Okay, well, picked up some of that valve grinding compound here to get the valves seated back in their holes there. Get that done all nice. Put the carburetor back on after I get that done, and see if it'll run right after that, because the exhaust valve is not warped. So I think it's just not sealing properly. And we'll go from there. Hello YouTubers. After a recent ordeal with having to reseat the exhaust valve, got her running good. Took the front end apart there. Gave a nice lube job there. Make sure it's all lubed up and ready. I got some more maintenance to do underneath with all the pulleys. And it'll be real nice. I had a real problem getting it working right. I don't know what was up with it. It would start, it would run for a couple, 20 seconds or so and die. Did this for a couple days, and so I swapped the carb out on it and put a different one on. Did the same thing. Then just let it sit for a little while. Came back out, did the same thing a day later. And then just kind of kicked it, and it worked just fine. So it's all good now. It's running good, and we'll show you that. Well, here we go. I'm going to turn on the fuel first. Gonna let a little fuel get into that carburetor first. It sat for a while. Not sure on how much is drained out of it because that carburetor leaks, which I don't like it, but as long as it's running, don't fix it because it might break it. Then I took the modified choke lever out because it didn't need it. It started just fine without it, but I think I'm going to choke it anyway, just to be sure. There it is running, real nice. It wasn't such bad weather out, it wasn't raining so bad. Go out for a little drive, but you know, it's kind of nasty out, raining and all that, so that'll be another video. Yep. At any rate, I'll get it done as soon as the weather gets nice.